All right, so let me show you how I did it. And there's actually a problem with this. So I'll show it to you this way, and then we'll see what the problem is, and we'll fix it. But I'm just, oh, I also didn't do this quite right. Hang on. All right, so it said to loop over the elements of x in steps of 2. So I'm using the colon operator, starting with 1, going in steps of 2 up to the length of x. And printing out x of, and I'm using j for my loop variable this time, just for variety. X of j plus 1. And so this is a technique that people have some trouble getting used to, I think. But remember, you can do whatever operations on the loop variable you want. Right? If I want to say, give me the current one, j, and the next one, I can put j plus 1. Okay? And then x of j plus 1. All right, so let's see how that works. Well, it worked out fine that time. Let's try it again. No problem. Seems to be working. Oh, wait a minute, something went wrong. All right, so this is what often happens with bugs, software bugs, where it works sometimes, but you didn't consider all the possibilities. So sometimes it hits a condition where it doesn't work. And what happened here is it depends on whether the length of x is even or odd. If it's odd, then at one point, j is going to be the last element. And I try to access j plus 1, and there is no j plus 1. So it says index exceeds the number of array elements. But if the length of x is even, that doesn't happen. Okay. So what I want to do here, easy fix, just put -1. All right, so stop at the next to last element, and then the last sum will be the next to last plus the last. But if it turns out that the length of x is odd, that means nothing will happen with the last element because there's no next one to add it to. All right, so now it'll run without errors. Okay. All right, any question about that? And also in this case, I chose just to do the arithmetic right here in the fprintf. That's fine. Or if you want to, if you think it's cleaner, you can put some variable here. Whoops, it's got to be inside the loop though. Yeah, whichever you prefer. You can do it in 2 steps, or you can just put this expression right there.